Hello and welcome back to day 9 of the 21 Days of Energy series. So for everybody who tuned in yesterday, I thank you so much. I hope that you had a day filled with happiness, or at least did one thing that made you happy. So if you are just tuning in to this for the very first time, my name is Rachel, and what we are doing is for the first 21 days of either the fall or the spring equinox, I am giving a daily energy update, and then we are going to do a 5-minute Reiki energy session. So again, my name is Rachel from Reiki with Rachael. I'm a Reiki master, I'm a card reader. You can check out more about what I offer and different healings and card readings and things like that in the notes. So for everybody who has been following along with this, we know that last week, and I talked about this yesterday, last week was filled with purging, with, recognizing some of our blocks, with even kind of navigating the energy. There was like an energy shift that was going on that threw us a little off center, threw many of us off center. So a lot of the cards that I pulled last week were trying to bring us back to that center, the power center that lies within us, so that it doesn't matter what's really going on in the outside world, that we can come from this clear and centered place. So it sounds lovely in theory, but I know a lot of us certainly were faced with some challenges. Now yesterday, the card that we got was happiness. And I mentioned, and I still really believe this, especially when I get into today's energy, that there was a shift. Like last week was draining. I know a lot of you said it was just draining. But this week, it's like we have a new burst of energy. So we got through the necessary steps that we had to of last week to kind of move into this next phase. And today's card is so appropriate because it goes along with everything that I was able to channel yesterday. And this card is change. And it's just so bright and happy. There's nothing about this card that's saying something's changing for the worst. And so I'll read it for you. And it says, I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. Yesterday, when we pulled the happiness card, the main energy that we got from it was to follow your happiness and to trust that happiness and to know that as long as you continue to follow that happiness, that you are being guided from the universe to the life to your dharma, to your desires, to this life that you know that you deserve to live, and you really, really just want to get there. And, I think I mentioned this in some of the videos, I can't remember what. There's really no end game. There's not like this point that we get to where we're like, okay, that's it. Like, I'm cool. We're good. No, life's a journey. And for any of us who are on this particular spiritual journey or twin flame journey, we continue to grow. We continue to heal. We continue to progress. And that's beautiful. And some of the progression comes from shedding things from our past karma, past behavior patterns or thought patterns we picked up during this lifetime. But another component of this journey is following what makes you happy. Following your joy. Uncovering what your dharma is, what those components of your dharma, what your components of your life purpose is, and taking action towards them. And that's really what the energy of today is. I mean, this is an action card. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. There is a forward-moving energy, and if you can capitalize on that and take advantage of that today, not by strategizing like I mentioned yesterday, but by following your heart and following your happiness and just trusting, then I feel like you're going to get a whole new momentum going in this new direction that is going to lead you much further along your journey, and also much closer towards what it is that you desire, what it is that you want to manifest. Now, this is a beautiful card. Something absolutely shifted in the energy. I'm excited. I'm excited for the rest of this week to see what it's going to hold. Okay, so let's get on to the energy session. I am going to set my timer. I encourage you to just sit back and relax, and I hope that this energy today really revitalizes you, really gives you energy. You know, if you were drained from last week, I am sending this with the intention to give you this beautiful high vibrational energy to fill you back up, to fill up those places where you were drained. All you have to do to receive this energy session is sit back, relax. If you have a personal intention that you want to set, then set it now. If you can think of where you want to take some action, or you want to start moving in a certain direction, but maybe you're not clear, or you're a little fearful, or you just don't know exactly what to do, then set the intention to gain clarity or to start building that momentum. Whatever it is that you feel you need right now. Just sit or lie, close your eyes, and enjoy the next 5 minutes of this Reiki healing session. just gonna wipe off your energy. Anything that was released doesn't serve you any longer. And wipe off mine. Disconnect. So be it, and so it is. We give thanks. That was a revitalizing kind of energy that I felt. I was going to say exciting, but I feel like a lot of times excitement has this like anxious undertone to it. And it wasn't that at all. There was like a power, a forward moving kind of energy that I felt on my end. So I hope this helps you. I hope that you do feel revitalized after this session. And I just encourage you that if you are guided to take any action, no matter how small, it's not a day to figure out the rest of your life or figure out an action plan. It's just a day to follow your happiness and take movement towards it in some way. Even if it seems like the smallest, tiniest step ever, that is going to start this incredible momentum. So thank you so much for tuning in. Again, my name's Rachel from Reiki with Rachael. If you go to my website, you can find like a little pop-up where you get a free 30-minute Reiki healing session, MP3 download. So you can get that. Or if you're interested in any other Reiki downloads, card readings, twin flame healings, anything like that, it's all there. So thank you so much for joining along, and I will see you tomorrow. Love and light.